Emerald, the most beloved gemstone and the beauty of Swat's rough emeralds. Emerald is one of the most cherished and admired gemstones in the world. Its vivid green color symbolizes nature, rebirth, and luxury, making it a favorite among collectors, jewelers, and royalty. For centuries, civilizations across the globe from ancient Egypt to South America have treasured emeralds not only for their beauty but also for their rarity and spiritual significance. Unlike diamonds, emeralds often contain inclusions or natural marks, which are embraced as part of their character and authenticity. The most valuable emeralds display a rich, vibrant green color, and Swat, a region in northern Pakistan, has emerged as a remarkable source of such high-quality stones. Swat emeralds are becoming increasingly popular in the global gemstone market due to their intense green color, excellent clarity, and promising cutting potential. These emeralds often possess a purer green hue compared to stones from other famous sources, like Colombia or Zambia. Their brilliant, natural tone, free from yellow or blue undertones, gives them a unique and attractive appearance. What makes Swat even more special is that the emeralds found there are mined in a natural, mountainous environment, contributing to their individuality and charm. Recently, we have sourced a fresh collection of rough emeralds directly from Swat mines. These stones range in size from under 1 carat up to 10 carats, offering a broad variety for both gemstone cutters and jewelry designers. Even in their rough, uncut form, these emeralds exhibit promising color and crystal structure, indicating high potential for transformation into exquisite cut gemstones. The deep green hue visible in the rough state suggests that, once faceted, these stones will shine with remarkable brilliance. Rough emeralds from Swat are particularly well suited for cutting due to their clarity, zones, and solid crystal formation. The stones we've acquired show minimal surface damage and strong internal structure, making them ideal for shaping into premium quality gems. For cutters, this means a higher yield with less risk of damage during the cutting process. For buyers, it means access to emeralds that offer both beauty and lasting value. Whether set in rings, necklaces, or preserved in raw form for investment, Swat emeralds offer something truly special. Their natural beauty, rarity, and growing reputation in international markets make them a smart choice for both collectors and jewelers. As global attention turns toward ethical and sustainable gemstone sourcing, Swat's small-scale mining operations also align with responsible trade practices.